Adding an AI chatbot to Gohighlevel is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. The first option is using Gohighlevel's built-in AI assistant. This option leverages Gohighlevel's native AI technology, which is Jarvis. While not as powerful as ChatGPT, it offers several benefits. Jarvis is already built into Gohighlevel, requiring no additional setup. You can train Jarvis on your specific vocabulary, brand voice, and knowledge base. Jarvis comes included with your Gohighlevel subscription. Now, the second option is integrating OpenAI's ChatGPT API. This option offers more advanced capabilities and flexibility. Access the full potential of ChatGPT's language model for more nuanced and creative responses. Fine-tune ChatGPT with your specific data and objectives beyond Gohighlevel's limitations. You will need an OpenAI account and technical knowledge to implement the API integration. Here's a general overview of the steps. Firstly, sign up for an OpenAI account and get your API key. Find or develop a tool or plugin that connects Gohighlevel to the OpenAI API. Popular options include the GHL King's Chatbot Snapshot and ChatGPT Booking Bot. Set up how ChatGPT interacts within Gohighlevel, for example, triggering messages, generating responses, routing leads. Train ChatGPT on your specific data and language style to personalize its responses.